In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to find or add text in Final Cut Pro. So in order to add a text to your video clip in Final Cut Pro, it is pretty easy. The first thing you want to do is to go over to your menu bar and click on tiles and generators. Alternatively, you could just hit Control, Command, and 1 to open up the menu bar. So once you click on tiles and generators, so you can see we have different options for text. So for example, I'm just gonna go with lower thirds and add the basic lower third by double clicking on it, and automatically you can see that has been added here to your frame. And if I were to move the header, you can see the text has been added. Of course, you can move it around as per your preference, and if you want to edit it, you can just double click on it as well and type in whatever you would prefer to have on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some changes there. Right. So you can make some edits as you like, and then if you go over to the right hand part of your screen, the inspector window, you can also make changes to the font, to the the size, the alignment, and other modifications as well. Please let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.